What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. So the video of today, it's all about the UE Boom 2. As some of you guys all know, this kind of speaker was released in 2015, and today we are having it. I'm so much excited for this kind of tech because it's really old. I can say, like, not that much older, but around 2015. It's almost 9 years right now up to the speaker was released. But guess what? Today we're having it on the house and it's brand new, and we're gonna just check it out. And enough of me talking, let's get started. Woo! There we go. So there we have it, guys. As you can see, this is our UE Boom 2. I like the way they keep the packaging, really amazing. You can see that there, really cool. It looks like a cylindrical shape throughout here. Not look like, but it's cylindrical shape packaging, which it's good because this kind of packaging you can even reuse it throughout your other stuff you prefer. So it's really amazing, and we're gonna just do unboxing through this bad boy. Yeah, I can hear it, and we're gonna just check it out. So enough of me talking, let's get started through the video today. Have it. This is our bad boy, and we're gonna just unbox it right now. And it's really good. I like the way they package it, really cool. It's kind of old packaging, to be honest. And don't forget about the sign. I did it, and no, I just made it right now. Just kidding with you guys. As you can see, it gives you 360 music sound. It's an IPX7 water resistant. It gives you 15 hours of charge and 30 meters of length of your phone with the speaker, and it does connect to party just like JBL what it does. So yeah, let's get started. Ooh, there we go. I like the way they're packaging it is, man. This is so amazing. And yeah, there we go. So as you can see, you can reuse this stuff, to be honest. I'll talk about it later. So I'm gonna keep it aside first, and here we go. This is our bad boy in here, nice and amazing, really cool. You can see the color, really sparking. Gonna keep it here, and this is where we're having our bad boy. So just know that this speaker, you can connect it directly on your phone, and you can have total control of your apps and stuff like that, which it's really amazing. And you can even update your speaker, I guess so really cool. So yeah, whoa, I like the way the solid color it is. It's popping out. So first thing first, you're having your paperwork. Some of you guys all know you don't like reading paperwork, but there we have it. This is our paperwork. First off, you're having your micro USB cable. Just know that this speaker is from 2015, so it's micro USB still, so quite not bad. Wish it was type C. And another kind of stuff, you're having plugs here to interchange, and this is the power supply, I can say, power adapter, and it's really cool. You can see how it is really amazing. You can interchange between these kind of caps throughout your wall depending on which region you're at, which it's really convenient. You can see this one too. So it has different variety of these headers depending on which region you're at. Wow, this is dope. So basically, you know, I'm in Tanzania, so we usually use the UK kind of adapters or UK headers. So really cool. I like it. Talking about the bad boy here, this is our UE Boom 2 speaker, which it's really impressive, to be honest. Just know that it's 9 years old, and to be honest, it's still in a very good condition. It's brand new, and somewhere here you can connect like a jack to give it to another speaker, and on this side you can connect your micro here, you can see. And this bad boy here, it's a hook where you can keep it your strings, like you hold it. It's really great. And another kind of stuff, turning it on is just here, just one tap. Check it out. I like that sound, man. I like that sound. Check it out when we slip it. Whoa, man, just don't tell me you don't like that sound. That sound, it's really amazing. Now through here, the speaker looks really amazing. It comes with a variety of colors, and leave them somewhere there, you can see them, and it's really incredible. These buttons are volume up and volume down, which it's really amazing. Now we're gonna just do a sound test, and you guys can hear the sound, how much it's speaking. Okay, right now we're at almost half the sound, and you can hear how much 360 sound it's speaking. So if I increase it, wow, sound of this speaker is just amazing. It gives you the 360 sound. I mean, it's rotating somewhere here for 360, an amazing kind of sound. And another kind of stuff through this kind of speaker, it's 10 watts power. So 10 watts power, it's quite really impressive, quite not bad, really great. And the way it's just designed, I like it. It reminds me of the SRS-23 from Sony, which we reviewed a couple of years past, and it's really cool because it UE really keep their colors just like Skull Candy, the way they usually mash up their colors through the hardware. Really amazing. So this is the UE Boom 2. To be honest, this kind of speaker, it's a really amazing, and the way the sound it is just incredible. And the way they made it, the form factor, just see it, it looks like a JBL flip, and we can keep it on the Sony lineup of the SRS X23, which we reviewed last time. To be honest, the sound on this kind of bad boy, I can say it's really incredible. Like, the sound is 360 sound, and you can just hear how much immersive it is. And throughout this kind of bad boy, to be honest, up to now, it's like almost 9 years, and still the sound is sounding great. The only downside is just that it doesn't have a Type-C, and another kind of stuff, it might not get those kind of upgrade. It has an update software throughout its software, but I don't recommend you guys to update this kind of stuff. Whenever you get them, don't update the speaker, don't update the headphones, unless it's a little bit like alien. Like, if you bought it in 2023, it's okay to update it, but if it's a little bit older, don't do that, because sometimes the software might be crashing on the way and you might be losing your speaker. So it happened for JBL headphone. It was updating and it just happened something crazy and the headphone just died. So that's a worst case scenario, which I can say throughout these kind of updates of the devices like speakers. By the way, why do you want to update the speaker? If it came in on stock with the sound which it has, it's okay 100%. Just use it and enjoy it throughout it, and it's really amazing. So let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking throughout this kind of bad boy. Is it really cool? Is it really, what do you think about it? To be honest, for me, I give it 10 out of 10. The only thing which is missing out is the USB Type-C, which I wish it could be having, but well, I can't complain, because still the micro USB, I can say it's really dope. So that's what's up, guys. I'll be seeing you guys on the next tech video, and I hope you enjoyed it throughout this kind of UE Boom 2. And up to the next one, guys, it's your boy here, Abdurrahim13. You're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here, and yeah, man, you already know what's popping, what's goody. I'll be seeing you guys on the next tech video, and pew.